Welcome to Learning House. Today we are going to study the subject Science of Grade 7, and the lesson for today is cells and microscope with their parts and functions. So let's start. Now cells are divided into two main groups. One type organisms that have only one cell, for example the microorganisms are known as unicellular. For example, amoeba, paramecium, bacterium, and organisms that have many cells are known as multicellular organisms, such as human beings, animals like frog, lion, etc. These are the two main types. Now they cannot be observed by a naked eye or a normal microscope too. So for that we need some people can use this STM, that is scanning tunneling microscope, and this first microscope was made by Robert Hooke. It's a name of a scientist. That is about 300 years ago when this scientist made a microscope and observed the some parts in the cork, and then he named it cells. So now we will move on to the microscope. Now I will put a video for cells in that's on YouTube. So the link would be in the description box, and for the microscope, and I have also found a video, and that the link of that video would also in the description box. So microscope has nine main parts. So now I'm going to tell each of them. Eyepiece. This is the part of the microscope in which we look through it. For example, you put this eyepiece and where you look through this. And then is the objective lens, and this is the part of the microscope that magnifies the specimen. And then is the stage. This is the place where we keep the specimen, and stage clips are used to grip the specimen on that. For example, like this. This hand is the specimen, and for the clips. And then we move on to the diaphragm. You can it usually mirrors the lights, and it's not found in usual microscopes, so it's not one of the main. And then we move on to the light source. This is where the light comes. The light is switched on to brighten up the specimen on the stage. Then is the power switch. Where we keep where we on the microscope's light. Then we move. Then we have focus knobs. These are used to sharpen up the objects. For the sharpening, to sharpen up the specimen on the stage. And then we have arm. It is used to hold the microscope from the arm. It's like this. and we can pick up the microscope while carrying it from this part. And then is the base. The base is a rectangular base to keep the microscope steady on a straightened place. So guys, these are 9 main parts of a microscope. I have given the links in the description, and for some quizzes and for more practice, the links are in the description box too. So please like and subscribe my channel, Learning House, and bye till the next video.